Evening, everyone. Robert back here with another video. This will be a tech tip of the day. Working on this 240 SX today, and thought I'd give you guys a little tip. If you work around a lot of dust, your coupling sometimes will leak, as so. Well, there's a trick to stop that. Take your coupler. See if you guys can see in there. Maybe not, maybe. You get dust in there. The best thing to do, just blow it out real good. Oh, loud noises. And then hit the end of your ram over there, just to clean it up. Get any dust off of it. Hook the air back up. Bring you guys in a little bit closer. Good as new. You guys have a good one.